All right, guys, 2011 Honda Civic. AC was not working. A lot of these cars are known for a bad relay. And if you have a car from a 2007 to 2011 Honda Civic, and if you have the same car, if your AC is not working, you could check one or the two things. This car had a bad relay, so we swapped a relay with another relay, and just to test it, and we'll change the relay in the future. But what you can do is you can put the AC on. If the fans come on here but your AC is not blowing cold, and you could touch this line here. If it's not cold and this line's not hot, your AC is not working, you can open this cap right here. You can push that little needle inside, and this should be shooting out Freon. If it does have Freon, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come across to this fuse box right here, right? And you're gonna open this fuse box. This fuse box is very easy to open. All you do is you push the tab here, and this comes off. Once you take this off, this has a little diagram inside, all right? And you're gonna see fuses and relays inside this box. And I'm sorry about the cough. All right, so what we're looking at here is you're gonna see this box here. If you flip it this way, you're gonna be able to read this correctly. You're gonna see a whole bunch of relays here, and you're gonna see a whole bunch of relays here, and you're gonna see fuses here. You're gonna see this 60 amp, 40 50 amp. You come across here, you'll see the same thing, 60 and a 50. Just follow it how it goes, and then you have a whole bunch of fuses here. This is what we're looking at right here, right? So if you come right here, it says clutch MG, magnet clutch, is a 15 amp fuse, and this fuse is the last second fuse up from this row right here, and right under it has a 30 amp fuse. All right, so if you come across right here, you're gonna see that 30 amp fuse right here. Sorry, but the light is very bright. 30 amp, and then you have the 15 amp fuse right there. That's the fuse right here we're looking at, number 19. All right, you can see number 19 right next to this 15 amp, and then you can see number 19 right next to this fuse right here, this blue fuse. That's the fuse for the AC compressor, right? And also, if we come to this side, you're gonna see right down here, you're gonna see a little relay picture with the ice on it, look like a snowflake. That's the relay for the AC clutch, all right? And that's the fuse, that's the relay. You can swap. You're gonna see 1 2 3 relays, 1 2 3 relays. The middle row has 4, 1 2 3 4, and then this one has 4. So just follow that procedure, right? If you look at that relay right there, it's a fourth one from the top. 1 2 3 4. This is the relay right here. So what you do is you can swap this relay with one of the other relays. But if that resolves the issue, make sure you swap it back and replace the bad relay. All right, so it could be your fuse or the relay, either one. All right, so just go through that. These cars have issues with that, and you might be able to fix your AC by yourself. Just do it yourself. It'll take you 5 minutes only. Check that fuse. All right, you can use a spare fuse from here. Just swap it. If you don't know how to check a fuse, if you don't have a test light, just pull out that fuse with the needle nose or plier and swap it with that one. All right, simple. 5 minutes. All right, if you have questions, you can send me a message. Thank you, and subscribe, and like all of my videos, and tell your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.